Hi guys, how are you doing? First of all, sorry for my voice, I have a little sore throat, but I hope I'll be able to share a cactus update and repotting with you. So, over 1 year ago I have received a dear little cactus. It was my very first one and it did quite well in the office environment. I was actually keeping it between me and my colleague's desk, joking that if he upsets me I'll throw the cactus at him. But I would never hurt the cactus on purpose, nor my colleague, I hope you imagine that. Anyway, this nerve-wracking pandemic came and this cactus joined my balcony plant collection. And it grew taller, so I thought it's doing very well and I kind of forgot about it most of the time. The other week I observed something alarming, a wrinkled area at the base of the plant, so I decided to take it out from this glass jar and repot it. I want to show you the wrinkle area at the base of the plant that I was talking about, and also to show you the root system of the plant that did not reach the bottom layer of the sand yet. And I think it's still concentrated on the upper part of the jar, and we are going to see if I'm right when we are going to take it out. Now, the delicate operation of handling the cactus is going to be done with my husband's aquarium bent tweezers. If you do not have such a tool, you should buy one before handling cactus. It's very useful. Now, I had to change the angle of filming so you can see the action. Unfortunately, the days are shorter and it's already night when I'm filming, so it's not exactly the best light, but I hope you can see what I'm doing. While I'm trying not to hurt the plant when taking it out from the jar, I'm also trying not to hurt myself as well. It's not fun to be hurt by a cactus. So here it is. I managed to get it out and, as suspected, the main roots are all concentrated in the upper part of the jar and only few were cut in the process of taking it out. The smell of the sand on the bottom is actually very interesting. You can tell there was no ventilation in the pot, but also there is no mold or algae formed, nor any rotten roots, which is an indication that the amount of water this cactus received was appropriate. By the way, I was watering it every couple of weeks with 2 spoons of water, and if I recall correctly, I only fed him once with general purpose fertilizer. And that's about it. To be very honest, in the last couple of months I think I was watering it every 3 weeks. Yep, that's what I mean by forgetting about it. Now it's time to prepare a new pot with fresh soil. I have here some all-purpose indoor plant soil, to which I added perlite and sand, and I'm going to also add the sand from the bottom of the jar and mix it. I'm going to fast forward again the video while trying not to get my hand into the cactus thorns. Ouch! I actually did it. Towards the end of the procedure, I did touch the thorns. Now, this is the final result. As you can observe, the cactus is not centered. This is because of its root formation and the plant inclination. You said at the beginning of the video that this cactus looks like a weird cucumber with thorns, and instead of growing vertically, it curved a little. So because of its curved shape and the root formation, I preferred not to force it into a centered position, but one that should make the plant feel more natural and comfortable, at least until establishing itself into the new pot. And now, dear cactus growers and lovers out there, I'm happily reporting that by using this bent long pair of tweezers, I managed to repot this cactus with minimum to none damage to the plant and to myself. So if you haven't got one tool like this, I repeat myself, you definitely need to purchase one. It's gonna come handy for other plants around your balcony or around your garden. Don't worry about it. We actually got mine from AliExpress. It took a couple of months to come, but it's a very good quality one. Another important fact is that because the soil around the cactus roots is still a bit wet, I'm going to refrain from watering it another week. To actually succeed in not babysitting the pot and monitoring the cactus daily, I placed it on the upper shelf so I won't have easy access to it. Yep, it's funny. But I'm curious if you guys have same sort of techniques when caring for your plants, or which are the methods do you apply when trying to stay away from frequently watering your green babies? I'm really looking forward to your comments in the section below, because I'm very curious if I'm the only weirdo or not in the plant area. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to catch me on Facebook, Pinterest or Instagram. Until next week, safe cactus repottings. All the best, Rals.